Yesterday I created a thread detailing how you can make over $1,000 monthly offering what guest posts. Okay, so let me just associate this thread with the video clips because some people learn faster by watching video. Okay, though this thread has already explained all, it has already explained all. If you go through this thread, you're good to go. You can create a guest, even a ghost guest blog portal, and start making money passively offering guest posts. Okay, so it's as easy as ABCD. If you go through this thread, I highlighted the point, but let me just detail you. One, you need a domain. Okay, domain is simple website name. Okay, that is what domain is. You need a website name. Okay, it's best you stick on what .com. So I just want this video to be short. Now there are three types of domain. One is H website. Let me be using the word website for layman. Okay, the other one is what expired website. Then you can call the third one fresh website name. Okay, now to get started with this project, to get started setting up your website, your blog for what guest post, you need a website name. It can be an aged website. There are thousands or millions of aged websites out there. People just want to say it. Some people, it's their business. Okay, so you can get an aged website with good metrics. Okay, if you go through this thread, I explain what I mean by good metrics. Okay, so while watching this video, also make sure you visit wordfunnellife.com and use this keyword to search for this thread. Go through the thread. Okay, it's very important. So while getting a domain, a website name, you should make sure that such a website has a good metric, a decent metric. Okay, it can be an age website. Yeah, if you also find an expired website. Expired website is a website someone has been using before, okay, but the person maybe gave up the project and allowed the website to expire, and now the website is available for fresh registration. Okay, so that is what we mean by expired website. If you're getting an expired website, you should also check on the word metrics. Let it be decent and good without much spam scores, etc. Okay, even the backlinks linked to it have to be good. Okay, or you can consider getting a fresh website. Now take note, if you're starting a project on this area, guest blogging, I'm not advising you to get a fresh website name because it will take you almost a year or possible 2 years if care is not taken for your site to index properly and start ranking in several categories, start ranking on Google. But let's forget about Google. Okay, now what most people are interested on is DA, which is the domain authority. Okay, and this day is very difficult to gain a good domain authority from 20, 30, 40, 50 within 6 months or a year. Okay, although it doesn't count any, but people, those that want to do what, pay for guest post, they always check on the DA, the domain authority, as well as the page authority of your site. In general, they check on the decent of your site. How decent is your domain name? That is what they check. And this thing, most age website has it. Some few expired website has it. So that's why you have to check on this before getting a website. So once you have gotten a website for yourself, okay, website name for yourself, next is what? Posting and setting up. Okay, setting up. You can use any of the CMS best to you. You can use WordPress, any of the CMS best to you. If you can't, you can contact a web developer. Of course, my humble self, Mbono Watson, I'm a web developer, a good one for that matter. Okay, I can help you set up your guest blog, but a professional, oh my God, you will love it. Okay, meanwhile, not just me, there's thousands of people out there. In fact, web development etc is oversaturated. Even my boy can even set up a website currently. We give thanks to God. Okay, so you should set up a website or you hire a professional. In fact, it's good for you to hire a professional, someone who is experienced, because it will cut a lot of errors for you, okay, as a newbie. Okay, so that is it. Then when this one is done, then you are on to what I call the making money. Okay, of course, I don't just show people how to make money online. I also provide them resources that will help them. Okay, so if you have gotten the first and the second, you have gotten a domain name, right? You have hosted it, your site is up and running. Next is marketing. You have to market your product, and to market guest blog is very simple. All you need to do is to visit marketplace. Okay, now there are several marketplace. Okay, there are several marketplaces such as forums, some top forums. There are some affiliate programs. Okay, even etc. Now, why are you visiting most of these places? You are visiting most of these places to get in contact with sellers. Okay, to get in contact with sellers, product publishers, okay, bloggers, etc. So when you get in contact with them, mind you, you can also have a database of most of these people. There are database of top sellers in the world. There are database of top affiliates in the world. There are databases of YouTube creators in the world. There are database of top bloggers in the world. You can get these databases and use what we call code marketing to do what? Reach out to them. Let them know about your guest blogging. Let them know that you accept guest blog. Okay, that they can write guest blog. You charge this amount of money. It can be $50, it can be $100, it can be $200, etc. There are people charge up to $500 for just a single guest blog. Although some of them will write it for you, they will do keyword research for you related to the client website. In fact, they will do 100% of the thing the client need them to do. And the essence of this guest blog is all about off-page SEO. If you are into the online business, it is important that you understand off-page SEO. Okay, you can build one of the best websites out there. You can get your on-page SEO right, but if you fail to get your off-page SEO right, oh my God, that site possible will not make success across the internet. So these are just the reason why a lot of people, a lot of digital marketers are interested in getting guest posts. Are you seeing? So it's a hot niche. AI this, AI that doesn't change it. If it even make it better. Okay, so apart from that, I also made a provision. You can also get our backlink ranker. Okay, you can get our backlink ranker. It's also available. This is build backlinks. Over here we have database of all guest blogs. Let me say we have database of 75% guest blogs out there. Okay, you can get in contact with us. Let us know the name of your guest blog. We will add it to the database because people buy this product. This product is shared around the world. Okay, people buy it when they see your link. If they check your site, if they are good with your site, decent, your site metrics, they will contact you and they will offer you. They will buy your service. Are you getting it? So the more you market, the more you make money. I use 1,000 naira just as a yardstick. You can even cross. You can make more than that. If you don't work, you can make less than that. But it's hot. It's hot. Okay, it's hot. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. Okay, you can go to wordfunnellife.com, create your account, okay, and look for who followers, and you can DM me. Okay, you can send me a private message live here at wordfunnellife.com. Thank you so much, and bye for now.